fantastic Memorial Day weekend. I hope you remembered all the brave soldiers that have fought over the years to keep us free as Americans and to have the things that we have. It's really early in the morning and it's raining. Everyone is asleep. We are getting ready to venture out on some travels, and this is the first time that we will be traveling with our birds, Maddie, Patty, and Talkie. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. So we're going to fly on Delta Airlines with our birds. I'm a little bit nervous because they say if your pet is in distress that you cannot get on the plane. I don't think that they will be in distress because they've gone in their carriers to the vet multiple times and for beak and nail trims, and they have been fine. But they have never been in a place where it's really big and noisy with voices broadcasting and people everywhere. So I'm hoping for the best. I'm gonna make them some little fleece carrier covers. So we'll see how that goes. Have any of you traveled with birds? Let me know in the comments below how that went. And which airline you took, because we're probably gonna do quite a bit of traveling with our birds, because my daughter doesn't want to leave them behind and we would have to pay for a pet sitter and all of that, so it would be better if we could take them with us anyway, plus we would miss them and they would miss us. Even though it's rainy, it is really kind of beautiful out here in Washington State. I saw a batch of daisies over here, and I know that you can use daisies for something medicinal. I saw it in one of my plant books. I just don't remember what it is, but daisies are beautiful, so I'm gonna go collect some, and we're gonna find out what you can use daisies for, besides just looking at their beauty. The birds are singing, flowers are chirping, traveling in dreams. So pretty. Look at these, you guys. You guys, aren't these pretty? I love wildflowers, and daisies are my daughter's favorite flower. My daughter Jenna. For you, Jenna, daisies. Thank you for coming today, friends. I hope you are having a fantastic time in your lives. If you're not, change your mindset. Just look at the positive, look at all the beautiful things in your life and focus on those. If you have negative thoughts with like negative feelings coming in, recognize how your body feels and relax your body. Remember to calm your heart, because your heart holds memory. It holds feelings, and it holds, it holds sadness. So soothe your heart, change your mind. If there's a thought coming in, say no, stop, and replace it with positive, beautiful thoughts. And relax your body. Make sure your body is really relaxed. Do your breathing, and that will change things for you. Get in the habit of that. If you get in the habit of that, you will change the wiring in your brain, you will change your awareness, you will change how your body feels, and you can change your life, right? Take control. Don't let your subconscious control you. Don't let past trauma control you. You can be in control. Thank you for coming, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe because it really helps my channel a lot. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love talking to my community. You guys are my friends, so I love to hear from you. Okay, have a beautiful day. Bye. Hi guys, this is going to be a short video this week, and I know I've been gone for a couple weeks, but I've been busy, really. I'm packing up all of our stuff from the storage unit and all of our stuff from the house and my daughter Alice's things, because she is going to take some classes and she got a job. So we are moving unexpectedly, and we're taking off this weekend. So I've been really busy. I got this 5x7 U-Box and it's awesome. It fits everything, and they're going to take it across country. We're starting a new chapter of our lives, and I'm really excited for Alice because she is going to be doing her first real job and she's going to be going to school, so it's going to be exciting. Yeah, it's been a busy couple of weeks. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will try to get a video up in a week or two. Okay? Until then, I love you all. Bye!